Hi everybody and welcome back to another grocery haul video. This week I have been in Asda and Aldi. I've only picked up a handful of things out of Asda, so 99% of my shop is from Aldi. So I'll get on and show you what I picked up now. So I've got some lactose-free milk for Ayla, a 6-pack of orange juice and apple juice cartons, some Coca-Cola, a 10-pack of these mini meatsters, which are just like pepperonis. And then I saw these, they had lots of different flavours in. I'm not 100% sure what they are. It says chewy candy with vitamin C, so I will see what Ayla reckons to these, but she picked the cherry flavour. Got these cookies and cream bars. Got some beef casserole mix, and then Ayla picked up this mint cream chocolate for herself. I also got this katsu curry paste. Salt and pepper, I'd ran out. This is the rainbow peppercorns one, and then the pink Himalayan salt. I also got Ayla some smoothies. Got some cheese peels and these snacking chicken that's just like fridge raiders. I got some more of these salt and paprika potato spirals. We've had salt and pepper ones and these. They're both nice, so I thought I'd just pick up another box. Got some cream cheese, one of these little pizzas that you can add your own toppings to for Ayla, one of these long grain rices that you can either put in the microwave or just throw into a stir fry, and then some chicken breast mini fillets. I also picked these up. I have seen them before, but I've never got them, and I thought maybe Ayla would like these. They are the garlic and herb sweet corn riblets, and they also had a barbecue one. Got some garlic and herb dip, 2 packs of pork mince, that's to do Maverick's homemade dog food with, and then also some chicken breast mini fillets for him. I also picked myself up some of these chocolate rice cakes. I've never had theirs before, so hopefully they are nice. I've got some frozen peas that are defrosting, and then some skin on fries. I need to get these into the freezer quick. I've got a bag of red onions, carrots, baby potatoes, and also some apples. We've got some Almat 3-in-1 non-bio pods. Ayla picked these up. They are some reusable ice balls. I don't know, they were only £2, so I wasn't too bothered by that. Got some white bread, washing up liquid, and then finally we've got 2 packs of toilet tissue wipes. And all of this came to a total of £64.56. So I do have some steak and some gammon in the fridge, which is why I haven't bought as much meat this week, because I've already got some in, which has definitely kept the cost of this shop down. So I'll show you what I picked up from Asda now. And from Asda, this is literally all I picked up. It was a couple of these mini cans for Ayla, and then this duck twist for Maverick. And I think this came to roughly £5 or £6. So I'm going to put everything away now. So that's everything now put away, guys. This is what the inside of the fridge looks like. All of the meat and veg and potatoes are all down in the bottom shelves, and then we've got all of Ayla's snacks and drinks here. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.